Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to make a DIY string art, for which we need some pins, colorful threads and a piece of cardboard and thermocol. I have already sticked the cardboard and thermocol with Fevicol. Now I am painting it with a black color. You can use any color. Now we will make an outline. Here I am making air balloon outline. You can make any of your artwork outline. And now we will place our pins according to outline. Make sure it is accurate. Now we will take a thread and first we will tie a knot and fix it with a pin. Now we have to make a crisscross pattern with thread, as you can see in the video. Do it very carefully and make sure that your pins does not come out. In the same way, I will complete every section with different colors.